Our world continues to constantly dive into the new cutting-edge innovations shaping our world. One of those innovations is happening right now in various high-tech labs where scientists are harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize drug development. Imagine a future where life-saving medicines are designed faster and more effectively than ever before. This transformation is not only getting started today, but happening at a pace that will conduct a complete makeover for the drug development world. AI is reshaping the future of healthcare. Welcome to That's Life, I swear. This podcast is about life's happenings in this world that conjure up such words as intriguing, frightening, life-changing, inspiring, and more. I'm Rick Barron, your host. That said, here's the rest of this story. Deep in the heart of Los Angeles, California, a cutting-edge facility hums with activity. Now, this is no ordinary workplace. It's Cour Therapeutics, a data warehouse where the future of medicine is being manufactured. Now, picture a very vast space, nearly as large as a football field, filled with intricate display of machines and humans. Here, the traditional image of test tubes and Bunsen burners gives way to a high-tech arena where robots and computers reign supreme. The true magic, however, unfolds on a scale invisible to the naked eye. Imagine microscopic muffin tins etched into silicon, each depression a stage for a molecular ballet. In these tiny wells, chemicals and proteins meet, their interactions carefully recorded. The sheer volume of data generated daily is staggering, equivalent to over 12,000 full-length films. This isn't just a laboratory. It's the vanguard of a revolution in pharmaceutical research. Cour Therapeutics is part of a growing movement of innovation firms harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize drug discovery. Now, gone are the days of purely intuitive trial and error approaches. These companies and more are ushering an era where massive data sets feed sophisticated AI systems, dramatically accelerating the drug development process. As Jacob Berlin, Cour's co-founder and CEO, puts it, feed the AI the right data, and its capabilities become truly remarkable. In this new paradigm, the art of drug discovery is being transformed into a precise, data-driven science, promising faster breakthroughs and more effective treatments for the future. Why does this matter? In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, a groundbreaking application is emerging that could revolutionize the pharmaceutical industry. While many early adopters of generative AI have focused on streamlining office tasks and enhancing customer service, the realm of drug discovery stands poised for a transformative leap forward. Industry experts, including renowned consulting firm McKinsey & Company, are praising AI as a pivotal advancement in pharmaceutical research, potentially ushering a new era of medical breakthroughs. This technology's impact on drug development could be so profound that it's being looked at as a once-in-a-century opportunity. At the heart of this AI-driven approach to drug discovery lies a foundation of highly specialized data. Now, unlike the broad-based training of popular AI models such as ChatGPT or DALL-E, which draw from vast internet resources, pharmaceutical AI systems are built upon intricate scientific information. This includes detailed molecular structures, protein configurations, and complex biochemical interactions. The AI's role in this process is something along the lines to a sophisticated matchmaking system, analyzing patterns within the specialized data to identify promising drug candidates. It's as if the AI is searching for the perfect chemical key to unlock key protein targets, potentially leading to new treatments for various diseases. One significant advantage of this tailored approach is a reduced risk of erroneous outputs or hallucinations that can plague more generalized AI systems. The precision and relevance of scientific data used in pharmaceutical AI contribute to more reliable and actionable results. However, it's crucial to note that AI-suggested drug candidates are just the beginning of a long and rigorous journey. Any potential new drug still must undergo extensive laboratory testing and clinical trials before it can be considered for patient use. This ensures that the power of AI is harnessed responsibly within the established framework of pharmaceutical safety and efficiency standards. They say data is power. In the cutting-edge realm of pharmaceutical development, firms like Cour are revolutionizing the landscape with expansive high-tech laboratories. These facilities serve as data powerhouses, generating vast troves of information to fuel AI systems. This union between data and AI enables rapid experimentation, pattern recognition, and predictive modeling of potential therapeutic compounds. The process begins with generative AI algorithms, crafting digital blueprints, if you will. These virtual designs are then brought to life in state-of-the-art automated labs, where they're sensitized and evaluated for their interactions with target proteins. Each result, whether promising or disappointing, feeds back into the AI system, refining its understanding and improving future designs. This interactive cycle dramatically accelerates the traditionally arduous drug discovery process. While AI-designed drugs have begun entering clinical trials, it's important to note that we're still in the early stages of this technological revolution. As David Baker, a renowned biochemist and director of the Institute for Protein Design at the University of Washington, puts it, generative AI is indeed transforming the field, but we must remember that drug development remains an intricate and deeply human endeavor. This balanced perspective underscores both the immense potential and the enduring complexities of emerging artificial intelligence with the nuanced world of pharmaceutical research. The pharmaceutical industry has long struggled with a daunting reality. Drug development is a high-stakes gamble, along with the astronomical cost and protracted timelines. For example, while estimates may vary, the average price tag for steering a single drug from conception to market approval hovers around, get this, $1 billion. The laborious journey typically takes about 10 to 15 years. High failure rates of nearly 90% for candidate drugs entering human clinical trials are often due to inefficiency or unexpected side effects. Enter the new wave of AI-powered drug developers armed with cutting-edge technology and a bold vision to rewrite these discouraging data points. Their mission? To dramatically improve success rates while at the same time slashing both time and financial investment. These AI trailblazers have found a lifeline in big pharma companies, which have historically played the dual role of partner and financier to smaller research ventures. This symbolic relationship between AI innovators and established pharma powerhouses represents a new frontier in drug discovery, one that holds the promise of bringing life-saving treatments to patients faster and more efficiently than ever before. In the rapidly evolving landscape of pharmaceutical research, established drug companies are carefully aligning themselves with innovative partners, viewing this approach as a cost-effective means to harness cutting-edge advancements. Now, this strategy for pharmaceutical giants can best be described as, say, for example, calling for an Uber rather than purchasing a vehicle outright. They gain access to innovation without the hefty price tag of in-house development. This symbiotic relationship is structured around milestone-based payments, with pharmaceutical giants rewarding their research partners for achieving key benchmarks in drug candidate development. These payments can accumulate to hundreds of millions of dollars over time. Should a drug ultimately receive approval and achieve commercial success, a continuous stream of royalty income further sweetens the deal for the innovative partners. Now, who are the current leaders today? At the forefront of this revolution, companies such as Cour, Recursion Pharmaceuticals, and Isomorphic Labs. Now, each are striving for groundbreaking advancements. However, their approaches diverge into two different routes: those investing in expansive laboratory facilities and those opting for a more virtual model. This dichotomy reflects the diverse ways in which these pioneering firms are leveraging technology and resources to reshape the future of drug discovery and development. In the realm of AI-driven drug discovery, Isomorphic Labs, a spinoff from Google DeepMind, is charting a unique course. Their philosophy hinges on the premise that superior AI can extract more value from less data, placing their bets squarely on software excellence. The year 2021 marked a watershed moment when Google DeepMind unveiled groundbreaking software capable of accurately predicting protein structures from amino acid sequences. This advancement was a game changer, offering deeper insights into biological processes and accelerating drug discovery efforts by making clear the intricate relationship between protein shape and function. Building on this success, Google DeepMind and Isomorphic recently introduced AlphaFold 3, an AI model that takes protein prediction to new heights. This cutting-edge system can forecast interactions between molecules and proteins, representing yet another leap forward in the intricate dance of drug design. Mac Jederberg, Isomorphic's chief AI officer, underscores their strategy. We're doubling down on computational approaches. We believe there's an untapped wellspring of potential waiting to be unleashed. While Isomorphic forges ahead with its software-centric approach, companies like Terray represent a different facet of the AI drug development landscape. These startups are the products of years of scientific research, now turbocharged by recent breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. This diverse ecosystem of approaches highlights the multifaceted nature of AI's role in revolutionizing drug discovery and development. At the helm of Terray stands Dr. Berlin, a visionary leader whose journey through the realms of nanotechnology and chemistry began with a PhD from Caltech. His career-long pursuit of scientific breakthroughs has culminated into Terray, a company born from the seeds of an academic project initiated over a year ago at the City of Hope Cancer Center near Los Angeles, where Dr. Berlin led a pioneering research group. Terray has set its sights on a specific niche within the vast pharmaceutical landscape: small molecular drugs. These are the everyday heroes of medicines, the pills we swallow without a second thought, like aspirins or Satins. The appeal of these drugs lies in their convenience for patients and their cost-effectiveness in production. The contrast between Terray's cutting-edge facilities and the basic tools of yesteryear's academic research is very stark. Gone are the days of data languishing in Excel spreadsheets and automation existing only as a distant dream. Kathleen Allison, a co-founder and scientific scientist at Terray, offers a glimpse into this transformation. She says, and I quote, "I was the robot," she said, recalling the labor-intensive methods of the past. Her words underscore the quantum leap from manual processes to today's high-tech, AI-driven drug discovery paradigm. This evolution from academic roots to sleek, automated labs embody the rapid acceleration of drug development technology, promising a future where life-saving treatments may emerge faster and more efficiently than ever before. When Terray emerged in 2018, the technological landscape was ripe for revolution. The company seized upon advancements in microscale chip manufacturing, leveraging external expertise to bring their custom designs to life. Their labs, a testament to modern ingenuity, are filled with customized, automated equipment, made possible by leaps in 3D printing technology. From its inception, Terray's visionaries recognized artificial intelligence as the key to unlocking the potential of their vast data repositories. However, the true power of generative AI in drug development only became apparent as the field evolved, predating even the ChatGPT phenomenon that captivated the world in 2022. In 2020, Narbimata Rosen, formerly a senior scientist at Amgen, joined Terray as chief technology officer. His decision was influenced significantly by the company's wealth of laboratory-generated data, a goldmine for AI applications. Under Narbi's guidance, Terray has significantly expanded data science and AI capabilities, developing a groundbreaking AI model that seamlessly translates between chemical data and mathematical representations. In a move towards scientific openness, the company has made an open-source version of this model available to the wider research community. This journey from concept to cutting-edge AI implementation illustrates Terray's commitment to pushing the boundaries of drug discovery. By harnessing the power of data, customized technology, and AI, Terray is paving the way for a new era in pharmaceutical research, one where the next breakthrough could be just one algorithm away. Terray's innovative approach has not gone unnoticed in the pharmaceutical world. The company has forged key partnerships with industry giants like Bristol Myers Squibb and Calico Life Sciences, focused on age-related diseases. While the particulars of these collaborations remain under wraps, they signal strong industry confidence in Terray's potential. The company's ambitious expansion plans, however, will require capital beyond its initial $80 million in venture funding. Eli Berlin, the younger brother of Dr. Berlin and co-founder, left a lucrative career in private equity to serve as Terray's chief financial and operating officer. His decision was driven by the conviction that the company's groundbreaking technology could unlock unprecedented business opportunities. Terray's current focus lies in developing novel treatments for inflammatory conditions such as lupus and psoriasis. Dr. Berlin projects that the company will have drug candidates in clinical trials by early 2026, a testament to their accelerated development process. While Terray and its contemporaries are indeed revolutionizing drug discovery, Dr. Berlin maintains a pragmatic outlook. He said, and I quote, "The true measure of our success, and indeed that of the entire field, will be evident in a decade. If we can look back and see significantly higher clinical success rates and tangibly improve human health outcomes, then we'll know we've made a real difference." End quote. This statement captures the long-term vision driving Terray's innovations, a future where drug development is not just faster, but fundamentally more effective in addressing human health challenges. So what can we learn from this story? What's the takeaway? Widespread impact. The effects of AI in drug development are expected to dramatically reshape the entire healthcare industry. This story underscores the profound impact that AI is having and will continue to have on our world, particularly in areas that directly affect human health and well-being. Well, there you go, my friends. That's life, I swear. For further information regarding the material covered in this episode, I invite you to visit my website, which you can find on Apple Podcasts, for show notes and the episode transcript. As always, I thank you for the privilege of you listening and your interest. Be sure to subscribe here or wherever you get your podcasts so you don't miss an episode. See you soon.